Hey guys, another really great way to use AI is to actually summarize and provide in-depth steps for information. So I saw this really cool post on Entrepreneur on Reddit, and they're talking about how they set up this cold email system. And he kind of writes his step-by-step, all the things that he did to close these leads, right? But it's a lot of information, and it's really kind of hard to understand. And what people are struggling with in the comments is, how do I actually set this up? So what I did is I actually copied and pasted this into ChatGPT. I said, this guy posted on Reddit about how he landed all these new clients with cold email marketing. In this post, he explains his process, but he doesn't provide details. I want you to act as a marketing expert and read this post and actually write me step-by-step guidance on how to set up his system. Here's his post, right? And then I pasted his post in. And this is what ChatGPT gave me as a result. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up the cold email marketing system described in the Reddit post. So he gives me all of the information. So as I'm reviewing this, I'm not really sure. It says to hire a VA to scrape your leads and provide more information about that. I wanted to know if there was a way to automatically do this without actually hiring a VA. So to follow up, remember, this is a language model, so I can continue the conversation. I said, for step 2, is there a way to scrape leads and get this information automatically without needing a VA to compile it? And ChatGPT says, yes, you can use web scraping tools and APIs to automatically gather leads. So it gives me all the information. And if I wanted to, I could even follow up and ask exactly what commands to use to do the scraping, right? So this is a great way to use ChatGPT to summarize data and really get step-by-step details. What I was going to do next is go back up to step number 1 and ask for step-by-step instructions on how to set up the domains and inboxes on G Suite, as well as how to configure the settings. Don't sleep on this technology, guys. It's awesome. Want to learn how to use AI in your business? Head on over to amazingathome.com/AI